Good morning guys. Again and again. Today is Friday. So gawa tayo na naman ng waffles guys. Ito yung waffles natin. Ayun. Ito yung waffles. Luto na, dalawa. At saka ano guys, may coffee na coffee. May Milo tayo. Of course. Ito guys, luto na. Kapag wala na siyang ilaw, luto na siya. Oh. Tapos ano natin ng toothpick guys. Kasi mainit. Oh, toothpick. Ito. Ow! Doon. Tapos lagay natin. Lagyan natin ng ganun guys. Ganun natin. Ay, may toothpick doon. Oh, there. Okay naman. Clean naman yung toothpick.